In this video, we will discuss about the diagonal method. So this method is used to find the square of a number. The question that may come will look like this. Find the square of the following numbers using the diagonal method. So let me find the square of 27 using this diagonal method. The first thing that we have to do here is we have to make a figure like this where there is a small 4 square, and then we need to draw a diagonal in each square. And after this we need to write this 27 here in the first square 2, and in the second square 7, again here in the upper square 2 and lower square 7. So 2 7, so here again 2 7. So in this way you have to write. Here there are 4 small square. For the first square we have to multiply the number which is to the left, that is 2, and on the top 2. So in the rough we multiply 2 into 2 is 4. So this is a single digit, but here we have to write in 2 digit. So this 4 can be written as 0 4. Here we write 0 on the upper part and we write 4 on the lower part. So 2 into 2 is 0 4. Now for the second square here we need to multiply the number which is to the left is 2, and on number on the top is 7. 2 into 7 is 14. So on the upper part we write 1 and lower part 4. So 1 4 14. And for the third square here the number to the left is 7 and number on the top is 2. So 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. We write 14 1 4. And on the fourth square number to the left is 7 and number to the top is 7. So 7 into 7 is 49. So here we write 4 and 9. On the first square 2 into 2 is 0 4. On the second square 2 into 7 is 14. On the third square 7 into 2 is 14, and on the fourth square 7 into 7 is 49. So this is very simple. Now we have to add the numbers which are between the diagonals. So here only 9 is there. So we write 9. Between these two diagonals there are 3 numbers 4 4 4. So if we add the 3 numbers, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So from here we get 12. And between these two diagonal there are also 3 numbers 1 4 and 1. So if you add these 3 numbers, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So from here you will get 6. And here only 0. So we write 0 here. Except this 12, all the 3 numbers are single digit. So starting from the right, so this 9 we shift down, and from here it's a double digit. So this 2 we shift down, and this 1 we have to add to the next number. So here we add, so 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 is a single digit that I have shifted down, and here it will be 0 only. So this is our answer. So the square of 27 is 729. Now let me find the square of 79 using diagonal method. So first thing you have to make a figure like this, and this 7 and 9 we write here 7 and 9 7 9. So in this way, and then in the rough for the first square we have to multiply 7 and 7. So 7 7s are 49. So here we write 4 and 9 49. And for the second square here we have to multiply this 7 and 9. It will be 63. So here we write 6 and 3. And for this square we have to multiply 9 and 7. 9 7s are 63. So here we write 6 and here 3. And for this square we have to multiply 9 and 9, which is 81. So here we write 8 and 1. So again 7 into 7 49, 7 9s are 63, 9 7s are 63, 9 9s are 81. So it's very simple. Now we have to add the numbers which are between the diagonals. So from here only one number is there, so we write 1. Then between these two diagonal there are three numbers, 3, 8 and 3. So if you add these three numbers you will get 14. So between these two diagonal there are three numbers, and if you add that numbers you will get 14. And between these two diagonal here there are also three numbers, and if you add these three number you will get 21. So this 21 that we have got by adding the three numbers which are between these two diagonal. And here only 4 is there, so we write 4. Now this 4 and 1 they are single digit, and 21 and 14 they are double digit. Starting from right, this one single digit, so we shift down, and here is a double digit, so this 4 we shift down, and this 1 we add to the next number. So 21 plus 1 is 22. So again it is a double digit, so this 2 we shift down, and this 2 we add to the next number. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6241 is our answer. So at last we have to write, therefore square of 79 is 6241. So in this way we can find the square of a number using diagonal method.